I'm trying to get my muscle memory with the brakes. Ooh, I'm getting there, bro. Alright guys, time to get some gas.
Huh?
Got 63% left. Alright. Are you nice? Oh shit, damn. What a nice way to make a fucking entrance. Oh, everything is still here. We are going up there. Oh, we get to take a picture, bro. All right, y'all, we finna try this again. Oh yeah, this would be a fire ass picture. It is so hot out here, bro. We found an area. I just gotta make it smooth. I don't even think that matters, bro. We finna go out this way. We need it smooth like this, bro. Finna try it.
All right, what's going on, YouTube? Code about to hit this ramp. How was that?
That was good.
Sports, when you said you trying to have me fucking fly off.
It's officially been a week. We cleaned this bike last Sunday. It is Sunday. And we're back to where we started.